ChatGPT is no longer just a chatbot. In 2026, people are using it to make real money, online and offline. In this video, I'll show you practical ways you can make money using ChatGPT. Even if you're a beginner, before we begin, subscribe to Wealth Project for more smart money and business ideas. The first way to make money with ChatGPT is freelancing. ChatGPT can help you write articles, emails, proposals, scripts, and social media content. You don't need to be a perfect writer. ChatGPT helps you structure everything. You can offer these services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to businesses. The second way is content creation. ChatGPT can help you generate YouTube scripts, blog posts, TikTok ideas, and Instagram captions. You can run a faceless YouTube channel, blog, or social media page, just like this one. Over time, content brings ad revenue, brand deals, and affiliate income. Another powerful method is selling digital products. With ChatGPT, you can create ebooks, guides, planners, prompts, or online courses. Once created, digital products can be sold repeatedly without extra work. This is one of the smartest ways to build passive income in 2026. Businesses also need help. ChatGPT can assist with customer support replies, business plans, marketing ideas, and research. You can offer AI-assisted services to small businesses that don't have time or staff. This works especially well locally. ChatGPT won't make you rich overnight, but if you use it as a tool, not a shortcut, it can help you earn smarter in 2026. Start small, learn consistently, and build real value. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment which method you're starting with.